I'm Dana. So my character was Giselle.
Hi everyone, this is Edward Trumata and I played the role of Lou.
Nisugot ko na mga na film kasi syempre panagsanabi ng mga opportunities na ganyan na mabot mo na marag itap ka na pwede ka maging part sa ilang team and yun, i-grab na ko diretso.
The reason why I accepted this role was I find the plot and set up interesting and new. So ayun, since pandemic siya, nakikurious ako kung paano namin mapupull off yung film na lahat ng shooting namin is mangyayari siya through virtual. And most especially, I really like the life lessons na makukuha from this film. So, despite na very short film siya, ang dami makukuha na lessons na magagamit natin sa ating daily lives.
One of the best memories that I had during the filming of You Are Here is that it was filmed during the pandemic and it was quite challenging. It was really quite challenging, but we were able to pull it off. And then restrictions that we had to comply with, so we really had a lot of difficulties doing it. But however, with Neo's direction for the film, we really pulled everything off, and I really commend all the people that I have worked with during the filming of You Are Here.
Yung script reading namin was really fun kasi nangyari din siya virtually and doon din namin na-meet yung ibang actors. Despite din na through virtual lang yung script reading namin, na pull off pa rin namin yung mga mga roles. And despite na virtual lang lahat yung shootings namin and short lang yung interactions between the actors, genuine pa rin yung bond namin with the cast and the team. Thank you, Big Twist, for this one-of-a-kind and great short film.
I'm happy sa kung unsa ang among na-produce na film and na-appreciate by many. And grabe jud ang success na mas sa siya na lugar na nabot, and I'm so happy na naging part ko na team.
I hope you also enjoy the film as much as we did during the making of it. So thank you so much for all the support. Thank you.